When selecting ESD vinyl flooring tiles, consider the following factors to ensure you make the ultimate choice for your space. 1. Functionality. There are two types of ESD control flooring: static-dissipative PVC flooring and static-conductive PVC flooring. Determine the specific electrostatic discharge requirements of your environment. Different applications may need different levels of anti-static protection. 2. Color. White and gray ESD tiles are less likely to have scratches and have the most extensive applications, such as YHE-1802 and YHE-1830. 3. Durability. It is best to wax the ESD static flooring after installation and before use. Otherwise, scratches are likely to appear. 4. Cost. Compare prices and consider the long-term investment. Higher quality options may have a higher upfront cost but save money on maintenance over time. 5. Certifications. Ensure the ESD flooring meets industry standards for ESD protection. Look for certifications that confirm its effectiveness, such as TVOC and RoHS, etc. 6. Comprehensive strength of the factory. For example, history, reputation, production capacity, quality management system, patents, technical research and development ability, average workers' length of service, raw material quality, reliable quality and stable lead time, etc. Additionally, request samples for testing. By considering these, make an informed choice to meet your needs and improve your workspace. Contact us for more.